Hi, and welcome to MRE Remix. I'm Hannah, owner of To My Hero, a line of greeting cards that help families stay connected to their service members. There are links below, so you want to check that out. So I'm going to take some cold brew with this great veteran-owned business coffee. There's a link below for them. We're going to add that cold brew to the Mocha Cappuccino and a few other tasties to make this showstopper drink. Be sure and click on the logo to the right to subscribe. Stay with me to the end. I've got some special news for you. Let's get mixing. A cold brew, especially in the summer, is one of my favorite ways to make coffee. I did a couple test batches with cold brew using this coffee. I wanted to see if it would work using a pour-over filter rather than French press. In the past, I've always done a French press for cold brew, and I found that they were pretty comparable, the results. So if you don't have a French press, all you have to do is combine the coffee grounds with the water in a jar in the fridge overnight, and then strain them through a pour-over, and you'll get cold brew. It really is that easy to make cold brew, and I think it's a really tasty way to drink coffee. It just seems to mellow it out a little bit. I told you at the beginning I had something special for you, and I want to let you know that in honor of Memorial Day, I wanted to give a special through May 30th, all the sympathy cards, the Gold Star sympathy cards on Amazon and on Etsy are 20% off. There's a link below for a coupon code to Etsy where you can get 20% off. So I have several friends who are Gold Star moms and love them very much. So thinking of you this Memorial Day and wishing you lots of love and hugs from a distance. The coupon in Amazon is right on the page, so you just have to click on it when you order, and the coupon will be applied right away. You don't need an actual code. If you know a Gold Star family and have an opportunity to bring them a coffee drink on this weekend, give them a hug. I encourage you to do that. They need your support. I'll see you next Wednesday.